CH78, or the Mama Baer chair, was designed by Wegner in 1954. The Mama Baer chair is a typical example of Wegner's way of producing beautiful design and comfort. The structure of the chair has been all made in Danish beech wood, perfect wood. It has some characteristics through the armrest here, which is made of oak. And the upholstery is all hand-stitched and cover the chair in an absolute beautiful way. We have kept exactly the way it looked and the way it has been constructed, and also adjust the chair to today's comfort in a way that Wegner would be fully satisfied today.